Okay, so we're back in action. Tonight we're gonna draw Akuma from Beyond Dragon Ball Super. Okay, up. Right, I'll get to the point. We're drawing one of the top 5 strongest. Just to recap, we sort of had a camera malfunction, but it's back to normal, and now I'm back on track. Guess I didn't have to wait for that for nothing. Now let's get started, shall we? Anyways, Akuma is a assassin from some kind of banished dimension, I guess. I think it was Universe 19, the same one that the Grand Minister did. Okay, I don't want to get into detail, but oh man, why do they call it the banished dimension anyway? What's next? The Doom Void? Okay then. Now here's Akuma's jaws. Wasted a half hour for nothing. Good thing I'm back to normal. Okay then. Now we draw his neck. He looks like a moose. A magic moose. Now here we draw the feet. Now here's his arm. There we go. That's how you draw the assassin Akuma.